Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel Life with Nwarinma. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest way to make egusi soup without frying. Like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification button so you know when I upload a new video. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need are crayfish, egusi seeds, dry fish, stockfish, onion, salt, nut cubes, palm oil, meat, ugu, and uziza leaf. I start off by washing my meat with salt and water. Then I drain the water away. Now my meat is clean. I'll transfer it into a pot ready to steam. Moving on, it's time to steam my meat. As you can see, I start off by chopping my onion into small chunks. I add my onion to the pot. One nut cube. One Maggi cube. And some salt. I stir till the seasoning goes all around the meat. I cover and leave for about 5 minutes. Now I'm washing my stockfish. I am using the same technique as when I was washing my meat. Time to blend my egusi. I blend until smooth. I check up on my meat to make sure everything is going well. Next, I add my egusi into a pot. I make a hole in the middle and add water. I just added only a cup of water. Please don't put too much water so that it won't be too soggy. I stir everything in until it's smooth. I cover and leave it to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the egusi is becoming a crummy consistency, and that's the best consistency you need in egusi soup. I cover and move on to my meat. I add my dry fish, my stock fish, and mix. I cover and leave for about 20 minutes. Now the stock is ready. I go ahead and add my egusi. I add my blended crayfish. Now that I stirred it well, I pour my palm oil into the mix and stir again. When it's well stirred, I cover and leave for about 5 minutes. Wow, guys, can you see the vibrant color? Now our egusi soup is almost ready. You can enjoy this soup with your pounded yam amala. I go ahead and add a tablespoon of pepper and a tablespoon of salt. Then I stir. Then I go ahead and add my ugu and a little bit of uziza leaf. But if you don't have uziza leaf, you can blend your crayfish with uziza seed. Just add a little bit of uziza to the egusi soup. As you can see, the soup is coming together. Wow, look at the color, guys. This is gonna taste very yummy. I can't wait to eat this. Guys, this is a finishing product. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification button for my next recipe. Bye bye.